Everyone wants to be a millionaire, but almost no one does this one simple thing that wealthy people do without fail. Today, I'm going to share the one habit that started my journey to wealth. And it's not what you think. A while back, I kept asking myself, why am I always broke before the end of the month? I thought the problem was income, but the real issue? I had no idea where my money was going. Then someone told me, track every dollar you spend for 30 days. Not roughly, not mentally, every single dollar. So I did. And what I found shocked me. Random snack purchases that added up, micro subscriptions. I forgot I had bank charges I never questioned. It wasn't just spending, it was unconscious living. That one habit opened my eyes. I wasn't bad with money. I was just blind to my patterns. Tracking every dollar made me think before I spent. I started asking, does this grow me or drain me? Is this a need or a reflex? That one shift gave me control, and control is the first step to wealth. So, here's what I want you to do. Take the 30-day money tracking challenge. Don't just watch this video, take action. Here's exactly how to start. Step 1. Pick your tracking method. Choose a tool that you'll actually use daily, notebook or journal. If you prefer handwriting, note-taking app, Google Keep, Apple Notes, spreadsheet, Google Sheets or Excel, money tracking apps like Mint, EveryDollar, YNAB Pro. Tip: if it feels complicated, you won't stick with it. Choose simplicity over perfection. Step 2. Set your categories. Before you start, create spending categories: food and groceries, transport, entertainment, subscriptions, shopping, utilities, income. Yeah, don't forget this too. This helps you spot patterns fast when you review. Step 3. Track every transaction daily. Don't wait till the weekend. Track every purchase immediately or at the end of each day. No expense is too small. That $1 drink, $5 Uber ride, $10 sub, write it down. This is not about judging yourself. It's about waking up to where your money goes. Step 4. Weekly check-in. Every 7 days, review your entries. Ask, what did I spend the most on? Which spending made me feel good? What was a waste? Where can I cut or redirect funds? This review phase is where your mindset begins to shift. Step 5. Apply the insight. Once you see the pattern, you'll be shocked at how many tiny expenses are secretly draining your wealth. Now ask, what can I eliminate? What can I reduce? What can I invest instead? You're now in control. And control is the first stage of financial freedom. Step 6. Repeat monthly. Millionaires aren't smarter than you, was. They're just more aware and consistent. This isn't a one-time experiment. It's a lifelong money muscle. Track, review, adjust over and over. Start today. Track your spending for the next 30 days. Come in. I'm in if you accept the challenge. And if you really want to level up, come back in 30 days and tell me how it changed you. This one habit could separate the broke version of you from the wealthy version of you in 2025. Hit subscribe. We've got more wealth rewiring to do.